What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some pork and pepper pasta, the Italian style. And you're saying, Black Owl, what's Italian about it? You hanging out with Tony Soprano again? No, it's Italian because of something I put in there, and I'll show you that in a second. Wait your turn, buddy boy. First thing we got to do to make the pasta, we got to get the pasta. And today, my pasta's going to be that spaghetti. Isn't that right, Luigi?
Lots of spaghetti.
You know what I'm talking about? So, go ahead and put your spaghetti in that boiling water and boil it just like you would boil spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? So, once you get that done, actually while you're waiting for that to get done, we can go over here to the side and cut up our pork. Now today, this big bad pork daddy that I got is the country style ribs. You're saying like, oh, well, why'd you get country style ribs? Because it was on sale, buddy boy, and you know me. Cheapo, that's the way to go. So, went ahead and got that, cut it up, and you can take your spaghetti out of that pan. And the best thing about boiling spaghetti is once you put it down the drain, it's good for your plumbing. That boiling water going down the drain. Make Mario proud of you. So, go ahead and take your spaghetti, take it out of there, put your pork in there, and we're also going to add the peppers and onions. See, that's where the pepper pasta comes into play there, George Brett. Now, first thing you got to do when you put that in is open up the bag, because we're not, you know, you're saying like, oh, what did you going to cut up the fresh vegetables? Well, you know me, buddy. I got time for that shit, and I also didn't have the money for that shit. It's a little cheaper to get them pre-packaged peppers. So, put the pre-packaged peppers in with the pork and say that tongue twister 3 times, put it in there, stir it around. And I'm gonna add a little seasoning to the damn thing too. Some soul food seasoning like the Soul Train, baby.
The Soul Train.
That's some good stuff right there. And just a little bit of chili flake for a little bit of kick to it, boy. So, put that shit in there. Once you get that good and cooked, add the spaghetti back to it, and this is where the Italian comes into play. You go ahead and get your Italian dressing, sir. Don't watch it dressing, mind your business. And put it in your pasta deal, spin it around just a little bit, and that's it, buddy. Easy to do, cheap to do, good for you. So, let's have a sight. Let's have a big old bite tonight of this beautiful, delicious pasta pepper salad or spaghetti or whatever the hell it is. I'm hungry and I want to go. So, let's go. And here we go, because it's time for that first bite. I'm having it for me right out of the pan. I made it, I cooked it, I don't want to wash another dish. That's some good pork pepper pasta, mister. That Italian dressing gives us something extra. The seasonings, just right. And the peppers, oh so nice. So, I want to thank you for being oh so nice and stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking episodes right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll get out of the way, I'm having some more of this pasta for myself. So, I'll see you next time.